And today we're going to be playing with all this slime.
Whoa, there's so much stuff.
And we have two surprises. I'm going to have the gold one, and she's going to have like the Halloween one. Since Halloween's coming up, that's why we had the Halloween one. And yeah, the gold one was just like some extra. So yeah. Okay guys, we're going to be doing the tippy top first. This one. It says Crazy Slime. It says created by Crazy Slime. Scented Happy Day Fluffy. And it's red. Wait, this is kind of hard. I think it's just hard because
You haven't played with it.
well, no, I think it's just hard because it was sitting for a long time. And all the slime we got, like, this is not new slime, this is old slime. And the mysteries are old slime, so I actually forgot what are in the mysteries. But we had to play with the mysteries before. The mystery. I don't really know what.
I remember this one was for Christmas and this one was for Halloween.
I remember we had that one during Christmas and we got that one during Halloween.
No, it was from a little shiny thing.
I don't know when we did that.
It was like on one of like the first days. I think it was like almost on the first day of Christmas.
I don't know. But
Guys.
this really feels, I don't know what it really feels like. It just
Feels weird.
no, it doesn't feel weird. It feels kind of, it's not really sticky. It's kind of wet, but it's like, I don't really know how to describe it, but it feels nice.
It feels a little weird when you like mix the whole pot with the wet pot, and it feels weird.
Yeah, it feels kind of gooey.
You can't like get stick. It's kind of like putty.
It's like gooey, but not too sticky. Yeah, exactly. It's like putty, but like wet putty.
It's like a little wet.
Okay.
type of
Let's put it back,
wet.
Skylar.
Okay. That's hard to do.
Okay,
Wait. This came with it.
Oh, let me show them. So this rainbow came with it.
It's so cute. Scooty dooty.
I know it's in all of them, but I forgot what's in the mysteries. I don't know why. I was like, oh, this would be. Wait, I was like, wait, I forgot what's in these. So I was like, wait, should we have mysteries? So yeah. Now, I'm gonna put it to the side. To the side. Okay.
Let's
Now-
do this one.
This is. Wait, how do you pronounce this?
Sealish swine.
No, it's not Sailor Slime. It's not. Yeah, but what's the big company called? Goo Goo?
Sealish?
No. Goo Goo. Am I pronouncing it right? Goo Goo, I think.
I think it's Googie.
Goo.
Wow.
Like Goo Goo?
This is feels
This is so sticky.
Yeah, it feels so weird and cold.
Okay, you're right. This is really cold.
But also like the dots make it feel weird.
These are pom poms.
I know that's the
This one's a pink pom pom. Do you see it?
Oh.
I think it's pink.
they're all pink, Emilia.
Oh, all the pom poms are pink.
Yeah.
Oh. So this
What
is
about
like
the
kind of
stuff
like
inside?
a violet.
Oh wait, what's this?
You got the charm. You got the part with the charm.
Oh, look at
She
it.
got a penguin charm. So this is kind of like a violet, a really like throw up violet.
Yeah, I know.
It looks like one of those throw up
Oh, look at this. It looks so
colors. That
cool.
is a leaf.
You know, it just looks like a cool.
See it? A leaf.
You
You can't really see the cam.
Oh, look at this
Detail.
one. This one's cool.
You can't really see the details on camera. So yeah.
Oh, look at this. It's the picture of the owl.
And in another video, I'm going to do ASMR with some of these slimes. I'm kind of doing it now, but not like the videos you see on YouTube and stuff.
We have a lot of nice YouTube videos. And soon we're gonna make one how to make this like cool piece of paper thing.
Oh yeah, if you saw how to make the fidget at the end, Sky said we were gonna make one of
like. Wait, Emilia, we should do that one today.
Yeah, we should do it today.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Does you have to follow along because I know how to make it.
Okay, I don't know how to make. It's like a piece of paper with tons of cut up, colored pieces of paper. It takes a really long time.
It takes a while.
Yeah, we really had to cut that one up into parts. Yeah. Okay.
And then I added a show.
I think we should be done with this.
We don't have to do that. Just look for something.
Skylar,
stick it on.
I think we should be done with this one.
Hey. That one got lost.
Wait, we're supposed to put this in here.
Oh my god.
In this container. And that's this. Oh my god. Could you got the penguin?
Yeah.
And the penguin fell. That was a really bad moment.
Yeah. I ruined our moment. That's how you said earlier today. Earlier today, said that ruined our moment.
Oh yeah, we were having a moment together. Me and Sky were being fun. Having like fun, and then something fell. And then it like ruined our moment because we were like talking to each other and we were having like so much fun, and then something fell. And
she was like,
don't open the surprise yet.
I wasn't.
You're touching it. Okay.
That's why the can has open in it.
Now we're moving on to K-pop Demon Hunters Goo, if I'm pronouncing it right.
Yeah,
Let's see what character it is. I think it's Rumi, actually.
Yeah, I think it was.
I'm opening it. Okay. What? Someone didn't shut this right.
Okay. Yeah, it's probably. Oh yeah, it was.
Oh yes, this K. Wait.
Yeah, this is Rumi. I already know.
I wish you could smell it, but it's so cool.
Oh, that's so good.
My hands are so bad right now.
You can also get it. You can also get
The
this.
slime makes it look like my skin's peeling, but no, it's just the slime. Oh my god, I'm peeling.
Yeah, this is definitely Rumi. I remember unpacking this, and I remember me like unwrapping the Rumi thing.
Oh no, this is so sticky.
I forgot that.
Oh, let's put it back. Let's put it back. I can't do this.
Yeah, I can't do this either. Oh my god!
I totally shouldn't grab this.
This looks like Spiderweb. This looks like Spider-Man.
I totally shouldn't have grabbed this
We
one.
actually watched Spider-Man yesterday.
I totally shouldn't have grabbed this one for the video.
Don't it? I think, okay, we might have to come back and wash our hands.
Be back in a second. Bye. Okay guys, we're back and we're never opening that again.
We're supposed to forget.
Should we? I'm shutting it tight.
I forgot.
That's so... Like, my sister saw this at the store, like, about last year. I was like, oh, Rumi!
Get it for me, Mom.
Like, about last year.
Me and Dad were in the derby. It was like way much.
Like, it's just like about last year. If you're watching this video, like when it just came out, it will be about last year, or 2 years for you, or it could be like it could be like a lot of years for you. But for us, right now, right now, while we're filming, it's just 1 year ago. Sky saw it, and then she was like, "Oh, K-pop Demon Hunters." And then when she was squishing it, I was like, Mom, this is so sticky." And yeah, it was a whole thing. So never opening that again. Yep, never.
Bust. But if the other ones sound less sticky. Maybe.
Yeah, the other ones, I think they're less sticky.
I think Zoe might be like less sticky.
Yeah. Okay, moving on to another.
Yeah, we forgot.
I'm not even saying the name of the company.
To open it.
I can't even pronounce it.
Goo.
Yeah, it sounds like
I don't think we could open this.
We could. I could. Oh yeah, this is hard.
Yeah, because I forgot one day.
Okay, I'm trying to. Okay, this is probably going to take 1 minute to open, so see you in 1 minute, I guess. Hey, I think that took a little bit less than a minute, but it's probably like 50 seconds. But we tried so hard, we had to ask our mom, and then she did like so easy. It was like
It's like boom.
so now we opened it.
It does not.
Wait, I forgot I had a straw in it.
Can you put the straw in it? Oh my god.
The straw for a magic trick. We were doing a magic trick that day when we got it. This is kind of like the roomy one, but less sticky.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, Skylar!
It makes me feel like Spider-Man.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at this baby watermelon.
It's a watermelon.
I found it first.
Peel, peel,
Ay,
peel,
peel.
peel, peel.
Oh, he's so cute.
This one's kind of sticky, like roomy.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, I can get it off. Oh my god, it's too close to the camera.
Oh my god.
The slime was getting too close to the camera.
Oh my god.
This looks so cool. That was just the slime. That looks pretty cool, right? We really finished it. It took like a little bit longer than I thought to put away. It's okay. You can just put it on a piece of paper.
Yeah.
So now,
I'm gonna throw it away.
since we did everything together, now me and Sky, to make it quicker, we're going to do separately. Okay, so I gotta do it like that. Oh, I still have a lot of the watermelon on me.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me look on my list. It says that the next one you are doing this. Actually, this. You're doing, Skylar's going to do this one, which is her favorite color. And then it says that I am going to do this. Wait. No, not that one. I meant, oh my god. I meant this one.
Oh yeah, that one looks cool as a marshmallow.
Okay, so Sky opened her slime, and this one is the blue raspberry smell. For some reason, I think it smells like blue raspberry. It smells so good. And I got
Paper danger.
no. We don't want that slime sticking to my list of slime.
What
This slime is
bugs?
that's pom poms.
No, those little dots.
I don't know. Oh, that's clear. Hello. This is me in a bubble. This is not too sticky like the K-pop one, but I think it's still good. It's like kind of sticky. It's like shiny. It's totally not too sticky.
Totally worth it.
Totally worth what?
Totally worth taking this out.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, no. Charm fell. That ruined your moment.
No, it didn't. See.
Wait. Let's switch scenes. It's not working. Scenes. It's still not working. I can't switch the scenes. There, it worked. That didn't really change nothing. But it changed it into this. But that's,
Can we one day do it like this?
I guess,
Or can we do it like this?
yeah. I guess
Okay.
one day in a different video. But, I guess we're going to put away this slime now, and we're going to move on to the next. Because we've been really playing with the slime forever. And I'm sorry if you're getting bored of this video. I'm not trying to do that.
You're just trying to be smart.
Like, you could skip along to the
like
surprise.
some good posts, or this one that we're gonna do later.
That
Oh,
one.
that one's really cool.
It's just, I was about to tell you, that one, only one person has to do. And the other person has to watch. Well, we're gonna have a competition first. And whoever wins the competition gets to open that and squish it while the other person watches. And then there would be the last person to have that slime. Just the last. And then
Okay,
And
this
the
is
other
a
person-
contest. If it is a staring contest,
it's not a staring contest. But this is yours.
Yeah.
Which is this ice cream thing. And then this one would be mine. This unicorn.
boom, bam, boom, bam, boom, bam, boom.
Okay. I thought I couldn't open it. Well, that was... It smells so bad.
Let me smell. Oh!
Not to lie, it kind of smells like farts.
Yeah, I'm glad I didn't
I'm
get
sorry
that
if
one.
you made the I'm sorry if you made the company. It actually does. Just so you know.
I don't think the company will watch this, Emilia. on
It's
the
just
first day.
this is pretty old. Well, they're watching it right now. I'm not saying specifically right now, but like when they're watching it, they would.
Yeah, I know when we
Yeah.
post.
So we can just say they're watching it right now.
Oh yeah, we could just say that though.
Like YouTubers say, "Hey, you watch it." Yeah. And if you're watching this,
Hey, what? Wait, let me see. Oh yeah, now I see. You don't get some snacks yet. Oh
I
yeah.
see you got some snacks. You
Yeah,
got
I
this
see
new
that.
YouTube channel.
Yeah, but you see what they didn't do yet? They didn't subscribe. Now subscribe right now.
Yeah, they totally didn't subscribe.
Yeah, they didn't subscribe.
Yeah, let me see.
Oh yeah, you did.
No. Hmm.
Wait. Oh, I see you over
Yeah,
there.
they didn't subscribe. They didn't subscribe.
Yeah, you didn't.
I checked. Barely anyone subscribed.
Yeah, we only
So
got.
subscribe now.
We only got.
I can't even take the slime out of here. It's too hard.
Well, let me try.
It's not like the Goo Goo slime.
It's definitely not like Goo Goo Dough.
I'm putting this away. This is too hard.
Wait, let's get these.
Yours
patterns.
comes with a straw.
Let's see what this finger points. Oh, look at this pattern. It's so cool. Look at it.
Boom. I'm scraping off
Yeah,
of
you
the...
didn't subscribe.
Yeah, you
Didn't subscribe. 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 Didn't subscribe.
Okay, enough with that.
Wait. Let me see. Oh, yep. Didn't subscribe. Oh, yep. Didn't subscribe. 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 Subscribe.
Subscribe, please.
I
need subscribers. Subscribe, please.
need
subscribers.
Yeah, please.
Okay, I made the straw put in there.
Please subscribe.
Okay, enough about that. They probably heard enough about us subscribing.
Okay, but still.
And
Subscribe.
also, you're probably wondering what this is for.
Yeah,
and
you
we'll
should.
we'll tell you later.
Yeah.
It just dyed water, just so you know.
I thought it was slime that this time.
Well,
Peekaboo, I see you.
let's just call it the extraordinary alien goo, I guess.
Yeah, alien goo.
Alien goo.
Alien goo. And this comes with it.
Yeah. Don't show them yet. It's gonna get spoiled.
No,
Okay, it's gotta
spoiled.
put away your slime.
Okay.
Because we're moving on to the next thing.
Okay.
The challenge.
What are we gonna do? I was gonna say when are we gonna do the challenge?
Starting now. Okay, so we are going to be playing Find the Dumpling Challenge. So we're going to try to find all the dumplings around our house. It's going to be in the bathroom, hallway, living room, or kitchen. So first, we need to get the baskets. Okay, jump and it'll work. Okay, I hope that looks good. And we got the baskets now. See? We didn't have them a second ago. But now we have them. Okay, so let's start looking. This one was over here.
This one was over here.
Where is it?
Maybe it's here.
Yeah, that's smart. In our pantry. See? Pantry. Ah! Glitter dumpling!
I don't think there's any going to be in the hallway.
Maybe.
Wait, how much do we have?
I got 3.
Me too.
Fine, all of them count 2. Is that fair? Yeah, that's actually going to be pretty fair. All of them count 2. Okay, guys, we made a solution. All of them are going to toss 2 points. All, okay? All of them. 2 points. 2, 2, 2.
How much is
We
that?
both got 3. So 2, 4, 6. We both got 6.
2,
2, 4, 6. Yeah, we both got 6. So that means it's a tie, and we need to.
maybe one more.
Oh, one. Oh. Hey, what about we do a race?
You mean like a running race?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Or something else. What else do you think?
Maybe like an obstacle course.
Also?
I'm thinking that those.
Those are going to be kind of hard, though. Okay.
Yeah, but that's all that.
We are going to try to think of an idea while you'll just hang tight.
One. Wait, there's supposed to be a green.
Whoever finds the green first wins.
Oh my god.
Where's the green?
Oh no.
I don't know where the green is.
Don't ask me.
I didn't have any over here. One living room, kitchen.
And bathroom.
There's only one in the bathroom.
Where is it?
Yeah. Wait, where is it?
Please help me find it.
No, please help me find it.
Help both of us.
Every bubble friend.
Mama, is any in the pantry
Nope.
that you hid? No?
Did you even hide the green one?
Mm-hmm.
Is it in the drawer?
I can't tell you. I'll say you're warm when you're near the pantry.
I found one.
Well, there's one more.
Yeah, there's a green. Oh, it's still a tie. It's still a tie. It's still a tie.
Wait, we didn't hide this one too at the golden.
Okay, we have an idea. My mom will hide the golden somewhere really, really, really hard. And if we find it, I'll show you. This golden gummy bear. And if we find it,
That's where we ran.
then we would totally, then the person who found it would totally get the blue one, okay? Because the blue one actually smells like, I think that one is
so good.
I think that one is the one that smells like blue raspberry. I think we have 2. That one smells like blue raspberry.
And that one looks
Okay.
so good.
Now, my mom's going to hide it. So, be right back. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, so since we hid the squishy, we can't use that squishy, so I just used the squishy. So, yeah, let's look. Mom totally hit it hard. I heard her moving over here.
I don't think it would be in the first.
I'm gonna turn the thing so you can see it.
Well,
Do you see it?
it might be in the living room.
I don't think you see it. Here? Down here. I told Mom to hit it hard.
Okay.
Maybe in the fridge?
It can't be in the fridge.
It could be in the fridge.
I don't think it would be in the fridge. Maybe the freezer.
In the freezer?
Ice cream, chicken nuggets. Oh, French fries. Yep. Everything like.
Under here?
I know.
You found it?
No.
That would have been a good idea.
Dang.
Okay. We really gotta look. Because I swear,
If you do anything that much.
whoa, down there.
Okay, keep on looking.
On it here. Why are we looking together? We're supposed to.
I mean, like, I don't think it would ever be.
I told actually Mama hit it really hard. Like hardcore.
This is how too hard. This is how low.
Really hard. What if we never find it
Yeah.
and we give up?
Yeah. Should we get nothing?
No. And then
Smile.
or just be-
Let's see what's looking over here. Oh wait, it might be in the backpack. That would be pretty.
No.
It might be in this backpack.
You go look. I'm not looking at that.
Yeah. She was just like looking like, and it just seemed like that's the way it was.
Maybe in the bathroom.
Mom said there's none in the bathroom.
It could be in the bathroom. You
Mom
never.
said there was none.
You never know.
Mom said there was none though. Mom said
I'm
there was-
starting to get worried if we never find it.
Uh-huh.
Okay, not in the
So
fridge.
we do have another one, so I guess we just have to share one.
Mom, give us a hint.
Yeah, give us a hint, Mom. Mom, can we find warm or colder?
Blue.
The hint is blue.
Hiya.
Hint is blue.
On there. I thought it was in this. Could you see it?
Found it.
You I would win. She found it. She found it. Look at it.
I found it. I found it. I found it.
Show me that. Show me that again.
Fashion. I'm gonna like it. Yeah.
Okay. I guess she gets
Where is it?
Okay. I guess I have to literally watch her, and then I can only touch it once at the end. Okay.
Come here,
Is
Ian.
that a cool transition? No. But look at it. Skylar is playing with right now, and I'm so jealous.
Hey, Emilia.
Guys.
All awfully disturbing.
Oh my god.
I
can
like
hear my
saying
mouth.
that. I like saying that.
Okay, so
All awfully disturbing.
So I'm gonna be have a video where I'm gonna shout out every random name I know, suspiciously random names, like names I don't know,
Maybe Nyla. I don't know that name. I just made that up.
or
Or maybe Isaac Jackson.
an icicle. Okay, those are
Emerson on a Cadolia.
okay. And just look at her. jealous. So jealous when she's playing. Hey, sorry. I'm supposed to be touching that at the end of the video. And let's move on. Hey! Well, we're not moving on yet. You can just play with it, but it's not on camera. Okay, well, guys, putting it away. I guess I'm just gonna wait in silence.
I found it. I found it. No, Hey, where's that thing?
This is so cool. Have a clip. Yep. Let's get to moving. Okay, now we're just gonna open these small ones.
Hey, that one's mine.
I know.
Here, you can switch.
This looks like Olaf. Well, the color reminds me of Olaf.
It's Olafly the Stoven.
Okay, stop saying that. It's actually starting to get annoying.
No, it isn't. Olafly the Stoven for you. But not Olafly the Stoven for me.
I actually found more. It's more clay. Like. Ew, it smells like grape. Well, grape is good, but I don't like the smell of grape.
Especially cotton candy one. Too sour.
Cotton candy grapes, ew.
And they're too sweet.
Okay, now let's move on to the special surprise! It was right there in front of the door outside. And then one time a bunny was over there. And then one time another bunny was over there.
There's a whole family of snakes
And a whole family of
and
bunnies.
rabbits. Well, rabbits or bunnies.
Yeah, I want bunny one day.
And that's the way. When we're old enough, we might come back and get the bunny. Or like before we leave, we can like Wait, I'm gonna ask Mom now if they're gonna keep this thing.
Okay. Bird.
Yeah, sometimes the woodpeckers visit us.
Oh yeah.
And then they peck.
Okay.
Wait.
What?
Where is it? It's way over there. Wait, I'm gonna film it. It's a lizard. Nice.
Skylar.
It's it. Oh.
Can't find it anymore. I'm doing mine, and the instructions to it is just open the circle, then play with it. That's barely nothing good. Ew, this is throw up color. Has Donald Duck in it. Why did I get this one?
It says on the news.
I'm 8. This is not even my age. And a
It
hot dog. And a ghost. This makes no sense. Like hot dogs are for Mickey, and then a ghost is for the Halloween thing. I'm not even playing with this.
Okay.
Cut. Okay, and bye. Bye. See you in the video that I'm gonna call random names.
Yeah. It's gonna be my video.
Bye.